Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to move your taskbar from the center to the left in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, type settings. Once you've typed it, the best match will appear. Double tap to open. Okay, so once you're being redirected here at the settings, proceed to the left side of your screen. It has this list of the options. Now here you need to look for personalization, which I can see here next to network and internet. Simply tap that to continue, and the moment you have successfully opened the personalization tab, scroll down and look for taskbar. Okay, so once you've found it, tap that to continue. Okay, so here it has this different options, taskbar items, system tray icons, other system tray icons, taskbar behaviors, and other related settings. Now, we are going to go with this taskbar behaviors, which contains the alignment, badging, automatically hide, and multiple displays of taskbar. Simply click this down arrow to see more, and the moment you click it, you will be able to see more of the options. Okay, here, the very first one, you can see there taskbar alignment. This is what we are looking for. Aligning that, it has this button, click this down arrow, and in that manner, you will see or view another option which is left. Click on it, and in that manner, you have just successfully dislocate your taskbar from the center to the left. Okay, so that's it. You can also go with the other option here. You can also turn on this task view and your widgets if you don't want to see your weather here. Okay. So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.